Sequence similarity can be quantified using homology is a statement. A percentage is quantitative. B percentage is qualitative. C ratios qualitative. D ratios quantitative. The correct answer is percentage is qualitative. Which of the following is incorrect about evolution? Other macromolecules can be considered molecular fossils that encode the history of millions of years of evolution. B. The building blocks of these biological macromolecules, nucleotide bases and amino acids, form linear sequences that determine the primary structure of the molecules. C. DNA and proteins are products of evolution. D. The molecular sequences barely undergo changes. The correct answer is the molecular sequences barely undergo changes. Which of the following is incorrect regarding pairwise sequence alignment? The most fundamental process in this type of comparison is sequence alignment. B. It is an important first step toward structural and functional analysis of newly determined sequences. C. This is the process by which sequences are compared by searching for common character patterns and establishing residue-residue correspondence among related sequences. D. It is the process of aligning multiple sequences. The correct answer is it is the process of aligning multiple sequences. Shorter sequences require higher cutoffs for inferring homologous relationships than longer sequences. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. Sometimes it is also possible that two sequences have derived from a common ancestor but may have diverged to such an extent that the common ancestral relationships are not recognizable at the sequence level. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. The presence of evolutionary traces is because some of the residues that perform key functional and structural roles tend to be preserved by natural selection. Other residues that may be less crucial for structure and function tend to mutate more frequently. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. Sequence similarity and sequence identity are synonymous for nucleotide sequences and protein sequences as well. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is false. The degree of sequence variation in the alignment reveals evolutionary relatedness of different sequences, whereas the conservation between sequences reflects the changes that have occurred during evolution in the form of substitutions, insertions, and deletions. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is false. Which of the following is incorrect regarding sequence homology? A. Two sequences can homologous relationship even if do not have common origin. B. It is an important concept in sequence analysis. C. When two sequences are descended from a common evolutionary origin, they are said to have a homologous relationship. D. When two sequences are descended from a common evolutionary origin, they are said to share homology. The correct answer is two sequences can homologous relationship even if do not have common origin. If the two sequences share significant similarity, it is extremely that the extensive similarity between the two sequences has been acquired randomly, meaning that the two sequences must have derived from a common evolutionary origin. A. Unlikely. B. Possible. C. Likely. D. Relevant. The correct answer is unlikely.